Hello, this is our final project for STEM Bio, Iron Fe Positive 2 by Jason Gentry, Andrew Lawson, Alex Brantley, and Jacob Hayes. So, first off, we have our chemistry basics. This substance has 26 protons, 30 neutrons, and 24 electrons, giving it the charge of positive 2. The atomic number is 26, which is the same amount as the number of protons, and the atomic mass is 56. The normal state it is in is a solid and has a 1.83 electronegativity. The ionization energy is 1561 kilojoules per molecule, and the atomic radius is 126 pm. Not the time. Yeah, that joke was really funny. I just had to cut the record. You obtain iron through the food you eat and what you drink. Iron is essential to the human body, so it is very important to incorporate foods high in iron into a diet. Red meat and seafood are both high in iron. Flour and vegetables are also both very high. A cool option is beef stew. It incorporates red meat along with the leafy greens and beans. Another option is cereal, and since iron is so important, many cereal companies enrich their products with this substance. Some of the negative effects is that our ion is even though our ion is very healthy, it can be very dangerous in high doses. Excess iron leads to iron building up in vital organs. I keep wanting to say ion instead of iron in the body, and will stimulate the formation of free radicals. These radicals will damage the protein's DNA and can lead to cell death. If left untreated, the overload can raise the risk of cancer, heart failure, and premature death. This can also lead to diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Our ion is very healthy, but in doses too high, it can be very, very, very dangerous. Our sources of origination, or if that's how you say the word, is that our ion, or also known as ferrous iron, is an ion used in many ways in the human body. Iron is also used in every single living organism. This is a constituent of hemoglobin and cytochrome, two very important respiratory enzymes. The main functions of ferrous iron are to transport the oxygen to hemoglobin and to aid in cellular respiration. Like exactly which unit have we not done that does not include cellular respiration in one of the topics? Iron gets oxygen into the hemoglobin and blood, which carry the oxygen from the lungs into the rest of the body. Iron can also be found in the myoglobin in the muscles of an organism. This in the muscle cells of an organism accepts, stores, and transports, also releases oxygen. Iron contains the proteins that are necessary for the respiration and metabolism and proper immune function. The iron and cytochromes is of great importance, and cytochromes are important for generating energy. Our iron or ion is also used to build up blood when an organism is suffering with anemia. Hope you like our project. Our final thing was good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Um. Yeah. So there you have it. There are citations, and see you next year.